Very tasty and healthy peanut bites for kids. Peanuts are excellent source of protein and one of the best world's healthiest and weight-gaining food for growing kids. This peanut bites recipe is very easy to make with only 2 main ingredients. Ingredients: raw peanuts 1 cup, jaggery 1/2 cup, cardamom 2, ghee 1 to 2 teaspoons, optional. Preparation: dry roast peanuts in a pan until crispy and nice aroma comes. Switch off the flame once the skin from the peanuts are splitting up. Peel the peanut skins by rubbing between your hands and blow the skin. Blend the peeled peanuts to a slightly coarse powder for 5 to 10 seconds. Then add powdered jaggery and cardamom to the blender. Grind it again for a few seconds until the peanut and jaggery are well blended. Transfer everything to a plate or bowl and add ghee and mix well. Break the lumps formed with your hands. Now start making balls. You can skip the ghee if the oils released from peanuts are enough to roll them. Store it in airtight container once done.